Hello everyone, welcome to DHN. We are here at DHN Forum Mumbai and we are joined by Dr. Lakshmi Jagannathan, CEO at Innovation Center IIITB. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for being part of this forum. And ma'am, IIITB is doing a lot in terms of you're CEO of Innovation Center at IIITB and you're supporting a lot of healthcare startups there. So what is your vision in terms of supporting healthcare startups? What are the specific programs that you run on that?
Yeah, thank you so much for being here. IIIT is an institution which is predominantly focused on digital tech. I think today we are talking about digital tech means AI, ML, IoT, data analysis, big data, blockchain. All of them are applied in today, right? I think one of our initiatives in IIIT is find the need to see how we can bring with us to work very closely with the clinicians right from day one. But it's predominantly when they're building a solution, even from idea stage, right? How to validate it with clinicians. And product development has always been an iterative process where you build once, validate it, refine it. So this process is what we want to enable for startups, work with clinicians, with hospitals together, and do some sort of a co-creation with them, and then help them scale. And health is I would say, very regulated industry, so building an healthcare solution needs a lot of support, lot of guidance and hand-holding also for the startup, from multiple stakeholders in the ecosystem.
Absolutely, ma'am. But this is specific to IIITB. I would like to broaden the topic and ask you about digital health startups in India are coming up with remarkable solutions to solve for healthcare in India. How can we support them better?
See, India today has dropped more than 10,000 startups in healthcare alone. Digital is a broad term, it includes point-of-care devices, diagnostics, wellness, applications. A lot of things are there in digital health, but only a handful of them are able to scale up. Primarily, again, the same connect, the connect to hospitals, connect to clinicians. If you one of the things that not only IIIT, as an ecosystem, we should do together, maybe with DHN also, is to see how we could bring all the stakeholders together. See, today there's something called startups pitching to hospitals or startups pitching to end users. Can the end users do a reverse pitch to startups? Say, this is a problem statement. Can you develop a solution? So there's opportunity for co-creating solutions with hospitals, which we should enable.
Absolutely. Like you rightly mentioned, I would like you to little bit explain a bit on that. How can we as an organization, as a media organization, be a catalyst in this process?
Absolutely. See, as a media organization, you're perfectly poised to bring all the stakeholders together. I think today I wouldn't say complete, but there's a lot of disconnect between what startups are doing, what is the problem they're trying to solve, and for whom are they solving, and where is the money coming from. Even small initiatives you do to bring these guys together, even thematic area, if you're able to do together, it would go a long way to serve. See, India, I think you should understand, more than 70% of the Indian population lives in the whole India. So everybody, the world is looking at India because of the scale, because of the opportunity to even because of the data available. Unless we do implementation on the ground to reach to the last man on the ground, right? How would it scale?
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. One last question. How was your experience at DHN Forum?
Fantastic. We lot more events like this. More than events, I think this discussion, I would say, is the first step towards the discussion. Keep the dialogue continuous and more events like this will follow.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being part of this. Thank you.